Transform your child into a confident reader in just 10 minutes a day. Imagine your child eagerly picking up a book, reading effortlessly, and smiling with confidence. Sounds like a dream, right? But with the Children Learning Reading Phonics program, this dream becomes reality. Using just 10 minutes daily, you can transform reading struggles into joyful, effortless learning. Research shows phonics and phonemic awareness are the most effective methods for teaching children to read. This program ensures children master sounds, blends, and word recognition, building a foundation that accelerates comprehension and boosts academic success for all ages. Reading struggles are often caused by inefficient teaching methods. With this program, even children who've fallen behind can quickly catch up. Step-by-step lessons make reading stress-free and enjoyable, turning frustration into achievement while fostering self-esteem and confidence. Equipped with 32 interactive lessons, this program covers printable flashcards and lesson materials, engaging videos showing parents exactly how to teach, MP3 recordings for correct pronunciation of phonics sounds. Every tool you need to help your child succeed is included and easy to use. From toddlers learning the alphabet to school-age children reading fluently, parents worldwide proudly share stories of success. One child, struggling in 2nd grade, read at grade level after just 8 weeks of lessons. Confidence soars when children are empowered with effective reading skills. Whether you have 10 minutes during breakfast or bedtime, this program seamlessly integrates into your daily schedule. Easy-to-use materials mean any parent can confidently guide their child's progress, regardless of teaching experience or background. Transforming your child into a skilled, confident reader starts today. Say goodbye to reading struggles and hello to success. Order the Children Learning Reading Phonics program and enjoy the joy and pride of seeing your child thrive academically and confidently embrace reading. Don't hesitate. Start your journey now. Together, you'll build a love for learning that lasts a lifetime.